Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG1072S in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a square shape. On its temple, you'll find the Gucci GG branding in gold. On both sides. The lenses are also brown gradient. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. On its inner right temple is again the Gucci logo that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 56 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. A Gucci dust bag, a black and white Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci envelope, which holds a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.